agoku noku aharigana katongi zibere Radio West gamba mpure
kano kwisya kugira ngo tutaka humwire twantureba hanshonga za United States of America n'urutaro kugenda misho mwihanga area Iran America kwatanise na Israel under the leadership of Benjamin Netanyahu as the prime minister wa Israel and the administration ya President John Donald Trump wa America okurwanisa government ya Iran already bahereze kwita second supreme leader Ali Ayatollah Khamenei kandi nukwe kutora no mutabani Mojtaba Khamenei uriyo natambuze mirumo akiri na ha schedule eyishe yasigire yatorana okutambuza orugamboru uriyo n'urugendo misho rwasiye biro mwenda kandi mbiro mwenda abantu barakwika 13 bafire ku rugo mwihanga area Iran. United States of America nejango eferirwe ba komando bayo konka it does not specify how many. Like I told you, America and Israel, they are good countries when it comes to withholding information. Konka withholding information is another tactic. If you studied political science, ni tactic omurutaro yo kugira ngo oworo kuba no urwana nawe atakwanda rating atakureba reba akakufitera mwe bituri and finally okashanga yakwetorire right left and center akakumara amanago omahanga Saudi Arabia United Arab Emirates ari abantu baburijwe batirwe emizinga eri kurgo mwihanga area Iran aba nabafa ahabo kugira ngo bakwatanisa n'ihanga area United States of America kandi barumwe nkambi aho abisherukare baru okusinzira where they base from okufitera ihanga area Iran abantu ashatu nababera bafire n'abantu babutosha barumu nabana umwana w'imyaka 17 mbweno rutaro rwe it does not call for who and who to die ekikompora cy'urukwata cyashanga ho mwerere naza kufa ekikompora cy'urukwata cyashanga ekizimbe katujengu nkirwaro nikiza kubomaguruka nikiza kwaho urwe ndwe barukwetwa orutaro. The war has spread out of Iran and it has gone to countries like Iraq, Kuwait, Oman, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates. It's no longer in there. Omuri Iran, it is now a Middle East war. Rukatandika rutyo konka hati spreading amahanga garu 18 gari yo mu rutaro including Lebanon ahansi yo buhekera bwa Hezbollah wabanoje uko mu Hezbollah emyaka yenyi 26 around there okurwanaga na hagati ya Hezbollah na Israel hati Hezbollah bareba nkaka kari akagisha kabo ako kutumure bikompora bakazo mu ihanga area ya Israel matches haruhendagano yo kujangwa amahanga gagatija kugaruka kurwanagana hata abantu barwana under the disguise of confusion that is in Iraq, and in so doing Israel nayo is hitting back. So it is ntera mufuteri amherwa byona mvuza kurora
agoku noku aharigana katongi zibere Radio West gamba mpure.